This video is all about how to organize clothes in drawers, and I'm showing you my exact method for how I organize my own personal drawers. And I even have a little secret, kind of fake it till you make it moment on how I fold my clothes, and it just makes them look basically like the KonMari method, or however you say it, but a lot easier, and it's faster. I can fold my clothes so much easier, and it just looks really good. So I'm showing you some of how to fold those clothes. I'll show you how to fold pants, how I fold my workout clothes, my pajamas, and then also how I organize like my underwear and my bras and my sports bras and all of that. Okay, so I'm in an apartment and my bedroom just wasn't big enough to have like a traditional dresser. So what I opted for instead was to get two larger nightstands. So on each side of the bed, I have one of these nightstands. They're from Walmart, and I actually think they're back in stock. They go in and out of stock all the time, but they're super cheap, and they're like 63 inches wide, I believe. I'm wondering if that's majorly off. I don't know, but you can go look at it if you're interested. But these are awesome because I treat them as like my dresser. So even though they're nightstands kind of, they fit all of my clothes really well. And then I also hang a lot of my clothes. So in these nightstands, my dressers, I have pajamas, my socks, underwear, bras, and then all of my athletic clothing. So that's what I keep in here. Like I said, I have a closet where I keep everything else, but I'm going to show you how to fold the other things like jeans and pants and sweaters too, just in case you are putting that all in your dresser. So let's get into me showing you how to fold the clothes. Like I said, it's a fake it till you make it method. It's so easy to do, and it looks just really good and neat. Okay, here is an example of how my workout drawer looks. So I have all of my shirts. I used to color code them, but then I was finding I would have like white in the front and then black in the back. But I have so many black workout shirts, clearly, that I was just messing everything up, because to pull it out, it kind of like ruined it a little bit. So what I did instead was I put the color things in the back, since I don't really wear color as much. And then I have the gray up here, white, black, and then some excess white over here as well. And then here are some shorts and like tennis skirts. And then I have my orange Theory band that just fit into that little spot. And then a few sports bras. I just keep a few of these sports bras here. This one's more like a shirt. But I am going to show you how I pull these out and fold these shorts. I find that workout shirts are like kind of the hardest to fold. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you exactly how I do it. Okay, so here's how you fold the workout shirts. So you're gonna start with the straps of the shirt, and you're going to fold it over just like that, and then kind of make sure that it's laying flat. And then you're going to flip it over again so that the straps of the shirt are covered. Then you don't have to worry about them hanging out and, you know, not looking. That's where it just starts to look unorganized. Okay, then you're going to flip it over again. And then you could leave it like this and then just do, you know, fold it up like that. Or you could flip it over again, which is what I do. And then you have this nice little nugget of a thing, and then I have it in the dresser just like this. I like having, here, let me move the camera up so you can see, but I like having all of my clothes laying up vertical like this, just so I can see the exact shirts that I have, or clothes in general that I have, instead of it being like all laying on top of each other. Then you can't even see what you own. So by having them like this, I can like just place in shirt. So that's how I do my workout tops. I can do another version of it. I'll do another shirt right now that I'll just put in really quickly where I'm not talking, so you can see it in another way if that was confusing. Okay, next we have my pajama drawer, and this probably, I mean, it doesn't look messy, but I would say that it looks messier than the other ones just because it's so much chunkier, but there's nothing that you can really do about that. So I'm going to pull out one of my pajamas and show you exactly how I fold it, but you can see in here how I have them all up like this so I can see exactly what I have. And then I also try to do them in like obviously matching, so all of these pajamas go together. Like I like to wear these ones together. This is a dress one, those go together. That's a set, that's a set, that's a set, that's a set, that's a set. You get what I mean. So let's go fold this. Okay, this is how you fold the pants. So you're gonna lay them straight out like this, and by the time you get better at folding, you won't even really need to like be as precise. You can do it. I can do this like super fast. So I make sure that the strings of the pants are, you know, kind of laying in there, not going out to the side. And then I'm like getting a workout from moving around so much. Okay, then you just fold it over top of each other like that. Move it back so you can actually see what's happening. And then there's like this crotchy thing, and you do the same exact thing with jeans. So you're gonna grab the crotch and you're gonna flip it over to try to make this be in a straight line. And then we just fold once, keeping that crotch flap. Fold it over, and then you fold again. And then you always want to make sure, so this side has like kind of the opening more. So I look at which side has the pants at the bottom, and then I flip it over so that that open side is on the bottom, and then this clean side is on the top like that. So that's how I do the pants. And then for the shirt, it's a similar concept as the workout top. So what I do is I just lay it out. Okay, and then you don't even have to like lay these out nice. You can just flip them in. So then try to make that like as straight as line as possible. Okay, then you're going to take this right side, or whatever side it is, flip it over, so then you have kind of like crisp edge over here, and then you're going to fold it in like that. Then you're going to fold it again, and then I just go like that. And the pajamas, like I said, they kind of vary in thicknesses, obviously. Like it just depends on the amount of fabric. So once they're in there, they look really nice. But I just find this so much easier than the Kamari or whatever method it is. It's so much less exact, and I mean, when it's in the dresser, like it looks good. Okay, lastly for the drawers, we have my underwear and bra drawer, and it's socks, but I tried to cover the underwear just because I thought creepers would be in it. So maybe I'll stand over here and then you can just see this side. So I have 2 of these containers from Target. They're awesome. I use them all throughout college. I use them all over my apartment as well. They come in white too. And I've found that the easiest method is I just have bras lining up against here, and then I have here, maybe I should take this out. So what I have is bandeaus, and those are just simply like folded over like that. And then I just have like camis that you wear under things, and I just fold that like super normal. I don't get complicated with that at all. For sports bras, I just literally flip them over, and it's super easy. It looks organized. I have it all organized here, and then bras, I just lay them like that. And then it just sticks in. I am always reaching for the sports bras the most, so I have the sports bras laying in front, and I can just pop that in. I mean, I actually like never take this out, but it always stays in here. But then it's just there. Over here I have my nipple covers. By the way, girls, if you don't have nipple covers, you need them. They're from Target. They're the best thing ever, especially in the summer, but they're always great. So sports bras, bandeaus, cami type of things, and then just normal bras. Okay, and I guess I didn't really talk about the underwear side slash sock side. I do not really organize this. I'm organized in the fact that I have a bin for it. It's not just laying around the dresser drawer. So I just throw my underwear and socks in there. I actually used to have I have one of those bins in my shoe closet. It's not a shoe closet, that made it sound fancy. It's just like a front hall closet that I keep my shoes in so that they don't smell at my room. And so in that closet I put just a bin where I can put socks in, but then I found that I was like, it was annoying, so then I just moved the socks into the same bin as the underwear and I throw it in there, and it's easy. I always know where it is, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do after laundry. So while we're on the topic of clothes and organization, since I keep a lot of stuff in my closet, I also thought I would hit on some things that have helped me organize my closet area. So first things first, I got these hangers that are awesome, and I use them for my leggings. Sometimes they're annoying because you have to like, just to put them on, you have to put, I don't know, you have to put things over it, and sometimes I'm like, okay, would this just be easier if I just use a regular hanger? But it saves so much space, and you can obviously put any, the camera died, but obviously you can put any pant on there. I've just found for my personal preference that I always run out of hangers, and leggings are just the best fitted, I don't know, for that hanger. Another thing that I love are these dividers, and I have wire shelving since I am in an apartment, and I think wire shelving is just obviously the cheapest, and so it's in a lot of houses as well. And this wire it's not shelving, it's dividers. They do a really good job for sweatshirts and pants, sweaters, and I just like, even though you technically don't really need to divide, I just think it looks cleaner and just looks better. And then lastly, well, actually two more things. One, get velvet hangers. They will change the game for your closet. I just get my velvet hangers at Costco. I think they did raise the price. It used to be $9 for 50, and then I just went the other day and it was like $13 for 50, so not anything crazy, but that's the cheapest I've been able to find. Even on Amazon, they're not a lot more expensive, but they are more expensive. So if you have a Costco membership, get velvet hangers. They are the best. Your clothes don't fall off of them. They're skinnier, so you can get more clothes in. They're just really, really great. And then lastly, how I organize my earrings and my necklaces. This has been a game changer. So I bought these on Amazon, and I kind of eyed them for a while, being like, do I buy, do I not buy? Just because I wasn't really sure on like the method that I wanted to organize my jewelry in, but I have had these for probably like 3 months now. I love them. They're so nice. They look good, and they are compact. They keep all of my jewelry. I know exactly where everything is, and it just is a perfect method for me to organize my jewelry. So if you're looking for something like that too, that's a good thing to check out. That's all of the closet organization tips I have for you. So that wraps up this video where I showed you how to organize clothes in drawers. I hope that was helpful for you. It's basically a fake it till you make it method. Like, I don't have time, and you probably don't either, to spend hours folding your clothes, but I do want them to look nice, and this is the way that I figured out to make them look really good without spending a ton of time on it, and it's just really organized. I can always see the clothes that I have, and it's just the method that works for me. So if you want more organization tips, decorating ideas, cleaning hacks, first apartment things, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @bySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.